Hello students, do you know how to simplify this expression? If you don't know, let's start with it. To simplify this expression, we have to factorize both numerator as well as denominator. So for this, what we have to do, we have to factorize x square minus 4 using the formula a square minus b square. So 4 can be written as 2 whole square, and now this expression can be written in the form of a minus b into a plus b because that's the formula. If any expression is given in the form of a square minus b square, we have to factorize it by using a minus b into a plus b. So the value of a here is x, the value of b here is 2. Same we will put it here, and we factorize the numerator as x minus 2 into x plus 2. Now we have to factorize x squared plus 2x minus 8 by using the factorization method of quadratic expressions. I have already shared the video link for the complete video where you can understand how to factorize such expressions. So let's start with the factorization. We can split the middle term as plus 4x minus 2x minus 8 is equals to x. We will take common. It would be x plus 4 minus 2 x plus 4. Then it would be x minus 2 into x plus 4. Now we already got the factors of the numerator as well as denominator. Now we will substitute the values in it. It is x squared minus 4 over x squared plus 2x minus 8. So in place of x squared minus 4, we will write down x minus 2 into x plus 2. And in place of x squared plus 2x minus 8, we'll write down x minus 2 into x plus 4. Now we will simplify this. And finally, we'll get it as x plus 2 over x plus 4. Now in this expression, both numerator as well as denominator are the quadratic equations. So we have to make the factors of them. So the first one is minus 6x plus 9. I have to split the middle term as I'll write down minus 3x plus 9. We can take x common. We'll get x minus 3 minus 3, x minus 3, and finally we'll get here x minus 3 into x minus 3. Similarly, the next equation is x squared plus 2x minus 15. And now we have to factorize it. So we have to split the middle term. So it will be equals to x squared plus 5x minus 3x minus 15. We'll get here x into x plus 5 minus 3 x plus 5, and finally we'll get here x minus 3 into x plus 5. Now we'll substitute these values here. So in place of this, we can write down x minus 3 into x minus 3. In place of this expression, we can write down x minus 3 into x plus 5, and then we can cancel it. And the final answer for this expression is in the simplified form x minus 3 over x plus 5. Now in this case, we will factorize this. We will get here 9x squared minus 15x plus 6x minus 10. And now we can take 3 common and x common from it. We'll write down here 3x minus 5. From here we can take 2 common, 3x minus 5, and we'll get here 3x plus 2 into 3x minus 5. Similarly, we can take 6x squared minus 13x plus 5, which can be simplified as 6x squared minus 10x minus 3x plus 5. So we can take 2 common, x common from the first two terms. We will get here 3x minus 5. Here we can take minus 1 common, we'll get 3x minus 5. And finally, the factors for this equation is 2x minus 1 into 3x minus 5. So we can write down in place of this expression 3x plus 2 into 3x minus 5 over, in this we can write down 2x minus 1 over 3x minus 5. So we can cancel it. So for this expression, the answer would be 3x plus 2 over 2x minus 1. If you want to do such expressions, you want to practice such expressions, I have also shared the link in the description where you can find the infinite number of questions to practice. If you like the video, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and share my channel link with your friends, and keep on watching the videos to learn maths with me. Thanks for watching.